In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Day number 3. We're here today in Columbus, Ohio. MashaAllah, a different community. Yesterday, as you guys know, we were in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and the day before that we were in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. So we left Pennsylvania and now we're in Ohio. This is very exciting, inshallah. So today we have planned a Dawah workshop where we're going to talk about, God's existence, the oneness of God, revelation and prophethood, and provide a strategic map to the community as to how to convey Dawah. But mashallah, tabarakallah, we are joined today with the Ask a Muslim team. They're very experienced in the Dawah field. I work with the Ask a Muslim team as well, by the way, and we're blessed to be here with actually the founder, the president of Ask a Muslim. May Allah bless him, Sheikh Marwan. If you want to
we have a huge Muslim community here in Columbus. We have approximately somewhere between 20 to 25 mosques within the vicinity of Columbus. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, a few years ago, approximately about 4 years ago, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Ask a Muslim was established, and that was considered to be the only Dawah organization pretty much that existed, that works in the field within the Midwest area. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we had many successes by His grace. Alhamdulillah, we're collaborating with many of the Dawah organizations that exist within America, namely WhyIslam.
Today's a joint effort between the Ask a Muslim team and WhyIslam team. We're very excited. We'll keep you guys posted. We're going to be engaging with the Ohio community today. So stay tuned, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Barakallahu feekum.
Any person, if you're speaking to anyone, any non-Muslim in the Dawah field, or even your coworker, your neighbor, your colleague, whatever it is, you want to assess their belief in God, because people believe in a specific God. Everyone has their own understanding, subjective view of who God is. So to some people, God, is a man with a beard and a staff, in the clouds. To another person, God could be a cow. And to another person, God could be Jesus, or some kind of prophet, or idol, or a statue. And so what we need to do is we need to be objective with both ourselves and those who we communicate Islam to. And the way you can be objective is to understand their worldview first, to learn about their worldview. The universe is the speech of Allah. It's sort of like how Allah created Isa. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, kun, fayakun, right? Came to existence. Likewise with the universe, Allah said, kun, and the universe comes to existence. So
we believe that a lot of the messages in the Bible are actually true words of God. But some of them, since they were translated by man, it might have been, fabricated a little bit or, miswritten. That's all we believe, basically. And if you get into it, I'm pretty sure you'll find your way.
Do you believe, does it make sense that these prophets would tell us to worship Him alone without partners? That makes sense, right? Or would the prophets come and say, well, you can, but do this. No, we believe that they would come and tell us what to do, what He wants us to do, right? Beautiful, we're on the same page.
It says every chapter starts in the name of Allah, in the name of God, who is gracious and merciful. But then God orders us to say, He is God, the one and only. So some is one, right? For some people, they may have the misconception, well, is He one, is He two, three, 100, how many gods is out there? He tells you He's only one, right? Alright, what's He like? He's eternal, absolute. And you can translate that to He's also independent.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. So we're actually in Kentucky right now. Where in Kentucky are we, by the way?
Lexington.
This is Lexington. So we're in Lexington, Kentucky now. We drove from Columbus, Ohio, as you know. And now we've reached Lexington, Kentucky in a masjid. This is Masjid Bilal ibn Rabah, mashallah. What an amazing name, what an amazing community, an amazing masjid. We're with our dear brother here, local here in Lexington, Kentucky. So for us in our journey, one of the things that we try to do is, kind of assess and gauge how the Muslim community is engaging with the non-Muslim community. So we were very interested in how, the Kentucky community here, deals with the non-Muslims and how they react to the Muslims here. Are these books that you actually give out to non-Muslims?
Yeah, I give these out.
So I guess that's one great way to engage with the non-Muslim community is through written work, right? Through books,
Yeah,
small books.
yeah. A book is something that's tangible, and once you read it, you can give it to somebody else to read.
Right.
You can have discussions about it, or you can throw it in the trash can.
Yeah, absolutely.
But the only thing Allah asks us to do is present the religion plainly and publicly.
Right.
And Allah said He'll call people to account. So Allah called me to account for, did I make it palatable? that I try to make it digestible.
Right.
And I feel like I've done my best.
Sure.
You know, but people have to make their own determination as to
So-
how effective my best is.